English together.
Conversation 1.
Hi, what are you doing?
I am lifting weights.
That's great.
What about you? What are you doing?
I'm doing some stretching exercises.
Awesome! Keep it up.
Conversation 2.
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm running on a treadmill.
That's great. Can I join you?
Sure. What is Jane doing?
She is doing yoga.
By the way, have you tried the new class here?
Not yet. What's it called?
It's called HIIT Basic.
Interesting. Let's sign up together.
Don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends.
Conversation 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here at the park to find out what people are doing. Let's go and ask some park visitors about their activities. Hi there. What are you doing in the park today?
Hi, I am playing with my dog.
Hello, what are you doing here at the park?
I'm having a picnic with my family.
That's lovely. What food are you eating?
We're enjoying sandwiches, fruits, and some snacks.
Hi. Can you tell us what you're doing in the park today?
Hi, I'm practicing yoga on the grass.
Wonderful.
And that's all. Remember to watch this video again because repetition can help you in learning English. If you like our video, remember to like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.